Hey guys, so welcome to another video of spam checking methods of edge domains. So in this video, we will cover the cache checking method, right? And basically what happens is whenever you're checking any domain in Google index and Bing index for the spammy index pages, so it is possible that it gets difficult for you to identify if those pages are spammy or not, right? So in that case, what we can do is we can check their cached saved data, right? So this is just an extra step which can help you to really make sure those if those pages are spammy or not, right? So I have two domains with me right here, and let's check each one of them, right? So this is our first domain. So I will open both Google and Bing index, right? Because we can check the cache data in both search engines, right? And I will also open archive.org because I want to check the original history so that I can compare with the latest cache saved data, right? So for example, this domain, this was first active in 2016, and okay, okay, this domain was in technology VR player, like some kind of virtual reality or something, right? So 3D VR camera, yeah. So we got an idea what kind of domain was it before. So now we will check the domain cache. So first type site2 dot our search engine operator, so our search operator, and here as well, right? So in the Bing index, it is not showing anything, but in the Google index, it is showing it was spammed, right? And we can clearly see this, right? But in case if you couldn't find if these pages are spammy or not, it's best if we check these pages by going by clicking on this arrow button and then click on cache, right? So you can see the latest cache data which Google saved in their database, right? So this is definitely spammy because it is not related to anything about VR, right? It is not actually, yeah, something. This is totally irrelevant, right? And there are like more pages you can check the cache data. So this is really helpful because you just don't want to end your spam checking by looking at the index pages. It is always better that you go the extra step and check their cache pages, right? So this is totally spammed. Okay, there is nothing here, right? So for there's one more domain we can check. So basically I think this domain was in hockey because as the domain name says, right? So we can just check this. That's the right. So in the Google index, you can see there are no index pages. There's only home page, right? So if I check the cache data, nothing comes up. This is just a park page, right? Now in the Microsoft Bing, you can see there are pages. So if you just click on this cache, you can see the spammy index pages. Yeah. So this is spammed as well, and we will reject this domain. Okay. And there's one more domain I remember, and which is logic and language.net. So we will enter it here for the bing.com. Enter here. Right. So there are some Chinese text and there are some Chinese text, but overall, if you look at it, it won't be easily to spot this domain as spammy. But if in case you ignore this Chinese text, right? So if you just open this page, cache data, then you will see this domain was used as Chinese website, right? And you can even check the original history. So always make sure to compare with the original history because there could be some domains which were a Chinese website as the original history, and it doesn't mean that all Chinese domains are spammy, right? So this was something to philosophy of language, right? But yeah, but here I guess This was in English totally, but looks like this got reused, right? Yeah, this looks spammy to me. This got reused, right? So we will mark this domain as spammy as well, and it's better we check this domain in through all the other spam checking methods I mentioned. But the overall idea of checking in the cache is to get to the another step of checking the domains index pages, right? So I hope you understood my point, and will be shooting another video on spam checking methods. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.